So where do you see the voting rights case, the Louisiana case?
Oh, we totally have lost that. No, that's 6-3. Voting Rights Act is dead. Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act is dead. They are going to rule against black people voting rights. The open issue there is when they do it, right? Because there's this case called the Purcell case, the Purcell Principle, it's now called, that says you can't change voting rules too close to an election. How close is too close? Only the Supreme Court knows. According to Brett Kavanaugh a couple of years ago, too close is February before a November election, right? But Kavanaugh's a fat hypocrite, so who knows if we're in that Purcell window or not. So the issue with the voting rights case is not whether or not we're going to lose. We're going to lose. But when we lose, right? Because if we lose in June, that's probably too late for them to change the maps in front of the midterms. That if we lose in June, that's a 2028 problem. If we lose tomorrow, I mean, there were decisions today. I was worried about it today, right? If we had lost today, that might have been enough time for them to change the maps before the midterm elections. So it really comes down to not if we're going to lose, we're going to lose. The question is when we lose, and if that allows the Republican legislatures enough time to rig the midterms for Republicans to hang on to the House.